Hey all, welcome to Cloud Hub. My name is Ramesh Swami. So today in this video we're going to see how to clear the CKS exams, right? The process or the to-do list that I have followed to clear my exams. So this might be helpful for a few of the people who are trying to take up the CKS exams. Okay, first thing, before you take up or you appear for your CKS exams, you need to have a valid CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator license. So if you don't have a valid CKA, then you're not advised to take CKS. So the first thing is you need to have a valid CKA. If not, you apply for CKA and get the CKA certificate. Once that is done, you apply for Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist. Next, now let's come to the to-do list. Okay, so the first item that I've taken for my preparation activity is something I took Code Cloud documentations. So I went through the Code Cloud procedures and videos, documentation, everything. So once I'm done with those documentations, right? Code Cloud itself gives you the certain mock exams. Always try to take up the mock exams. So try to complete the mock exams as many times as possible. You need to have the right level of hands-on experience with the kubectl commands, right? So once you are pretty much confident with the mock exams, then you can try for the killer.sh. So killer.sh is going to be a bit more challenging because it's going to be a little hard for you, so which makes you to feel much more confident to take up your CK's exams. Then once you are done with the when you're done with the killer.sh, then when you feel confident, you can apply for your CK's or schedule your CK's exam. Right, now you have done your preparation level activity. Now you're confident to take up the CKS exam. Now you apply for your exams on the day of exam. So you need to be 30 minutes earlier before you start your exams to do the preparation level activities, where you do your check-ins and all your ID validations. Everything will be done using the Proactor. So once that is done, you enter the terminals where the real exam that's going to happen, right? So once you are into the terminal, so tell you right, so the first attempt that I took CKS, I did not clear my exam in the first attempt. The reason, because I took all the questions in a sequence manner. There were a lot of API server related questions along the sequence. So once I attempt those server related questions, the server takes much more longer time to reboot the Kube API server, so which took a prolonged time to continue my exams. So with that, I did not get much time to work on the other questions or the next questions, right? So because of that, I couldn't clear the CKs in my first attempt. In the second attempt, I did what I did is, right, I took non-API or non-Kube API server related questions at the last, and I took the I would say like API server related questions I took at the last, non-API server related questions I took at the first stage. So by sequentially finishing all the non-API server related questions, once that is done, I flag those API server related questions and I attempt them at the last. Okay, so with this approach, I was able to clear my exams. So once you flag the API server related questions and you attempt at the last, you have pretty much ample of time to work on those API server related questions. So this is the approach that I have followed to clear my exams. And when talking about the curriculum, I think pretty much you guys would be clear what needs to be gone through for the exams. Probably the role bindings, cluster role binding, or the role bindings, and let's talk about the Falca rules, app armor, and the network policies, the sysdig, and the admission controllers, webhook policy. I think these are pretty much covered in most of the questions. So ensure, right, you have the right level of hands-on practice for these use cases, so that you are pretty much confident for your exams, right? So this is what I just want to convey for you guys, so that this helps you to clear your CKS exams. All the best. Thank you.